is Jessica Cherry for the 15-1-12 term project. For my project, I decided to do a computer simulation of the game of Dominos. As you can see here, as I run it, I have my program to be text-based. I wasn't able to get the graphics and animations parts working, so to have a working game, I had it have it text-based by showing. In this case, you can see that it shows the player's hand. In the game of Dominos, one of the rules are that the game starts with the first player placing down the double, which means both numbers on the piece are the same. So it puts that down. In this case, it's a 3. So then it goes to the next player, and player 2, it shows the player 2's hand. In order to determine where to put their piece on the board, it first checks the values on the board. In this case, it's 3 and 3. And then goes through the player 2's hand to see where it has a 3. In this case, it's the second piece. The order that it does to place it on the board is first it tries to put it on the right side. If that doesn't work, then it puts it on the left. So then it goes between player 1 and 2, and it keeps on updating the board with a new piece. At each round, it shows player's 2 hand, and it also shows the piece before it's put down and also on the game board. So this piece right here, 1-6, it wants to place on the board right here on the right. So on the next turn, that piece will be removed from the player's hand since it's on the board. So it keeps on playing, it goes back and forth until the winner becomes when one of the players runs out of pieces. That's when they win. So in this case, player 2 won because player 2 had this piece 1-2, and it was able to place it on the board on the right here on the left side. And there's my project.